Greetings tool enthusiasts. We have an exciting video showing 20 Dewalt tools you may be familiar with. Why is Dewalt known as a premier brand in the always-changing tool sector? It's due to their reputation for manufacturing sturdy and long-lasting tools. That's the reason we're here today with 20 Dewalt tools you likely have never witnessed previously.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at TSTAK TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Looking for a reliable, versatile job site laser to streamline your work? Look no further than the Dewalt 20-volt 360 green laser. With an impressive range of up to 330 feet when paired with a detector, this laser ensures precise positioning and supreme accuracy, boasting 1/8 and at 30-foot accuracy. Enjoy extended use throughout the day with its 10-hour runtime using a 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour battery. The kit includes everything you need for convenience, from the laser itself to a dedicated battery and charger, target card, drop ceiling attachment, and a TSTAK-compatible storage case. Built for durability, it features an integrated magnetic pivoting base, overmolded case, and IP54 rating for dust and splash protection. So are you ready to enhance your job site precision? Dewalt DW45RN Pneumatic Roofing Nailer. This tool comes with a high-speed valve technology that enables a rapid driving rate of up to 10 nails per second and ensures efficient and speedy work. Its ergonomic design, lighter than other leading coil roofing nailers, enhances comfort and reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. With a robust engine and feed system, this nailer ensures exceptional durability and prolonged lifespan, even in demanding working conditions. Equipped with steel skid plates featuring rubber inserts, it not only protects the tool from damage but also prevents sliding for enhanced safety and stability. Additionally, its depth adjust wheel complete with numbered detents facilitates precise nail depth adjustment, catering to various materials and ensuring professional quality results with every use. Next up, we have a chainsaw to tackle your cutting tasks with ease. Meet the Dewalt FLEXVOLT brushless chainsaw with tool-free chain tensioning and a combination tooled toolless bar retention knob. Adjusting and securing the chain is a breeze, ensuring optimal performance. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it maximizes runtime and motor lifespan while offering auto-oiling for continuous lubrication. Complemented by a quarter-turn oil cap for swift refills, this kit includes a 20 or 60-volt max battery, versatile enough to power all of your tools, so you'll get the compatibility across your Dewalt lineup. Plus, with features like a chain brake for kickback protection and the ability to deliver up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6-inch pressure-treated pine wood, this chainsaw is designed to handle your toughest cutting and trimming jobs effortlessly. Now here comes Dewalt 22-gallon air compressor. This tool is made to boost your productivity with its ability to drive over 850 nails per charge. Offering versatility and power, it delivers an air delivery of 1.0 SC FEM at 90 psi, allowing you to do swift and accurate pressure adjustments via the one-turn regulator. Its heavy-duty roll cage design protects critical components while the cordless operation powered by a brushless motor with a heavy-duty oil-free pump adds convenience. Weighing in at just 21.5 pounds, it's lightweight and portable for easy transport. Get ready to elevate your air compressor experience with Dewalt. This is something great for all the hammering tasks, whether it's DIY or professional. The Dewalt one-piece steel hammer is built for durability and longevity with its single-piece steel construction. Its optimal weight distribution ensures a controlled swing while the oval-shaped strike face simplifies toenailing tasks. Equipped with a side nail puller, it offers efficient and effortless nail pulling. Additionally, the hammer features a nail start system for convenient one-handed nail placement. With these features, the steel hammer is a reliable tool for various construction and carpentry projects. 6. Moving forward, Here we have the Dewalt 1800-watt portable power station, a versatile and reliable power solution designed for various applications. With its robust 18,800-watt output capacity, it provides ample power to run multiple tools and devices simultaneously, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The power station features 4 DC power ports and 4 USB ports, offering flexibility in powering different devices and appliances. Its compact and portable design allows for easy transportation to job sites or outdoor activities. Additionally, the DCB 1800B can be used with Dewalt 20V Max and FLEXVOLT batteries, providing convenient power options for cordless tools of this brand. Whether you're working on a construction site, camping in the wilderness, or dealing with power outages, the 1800-watt portable power station is a dependable solution to keep your devices running. Dewalt Wood Knocker 2 Plus Installation Tool, a specialized tool designed for the efficient and accurate installation of wood flooring. This tool features a durable construction and ergonomic design, making it suitable for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's equipped with a heavy-duty rubber mallet head that delivers precise force to securely seat wood planks together without causing damage. Additionally, it includes a built-in spacer to ensure consistent and proper expansion gaps between flooring planks, promoting proper installation and preventing buckling over time. The tool's lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended use. Whether you're installing hardwood, laminate, or engineered wood flooring, the Wood Knocker 2 Plus installation tool is a reliable and efficient choice to achieve professional quality results. Introducing the Dewalt Zero-Turn Mower, a game-changer for DIY garden maintenance and landscaping enthusiasts. This mower redefines the mowing experience with its advanced electric ecosystem and versatile charging options. With 5 swappable batteries, it offers all-day runtime even for commercial use. Its H2 high-efficiency cutting deck ensures superior cut quality while consuming less power than traditional mowers. Equipped with X-Blade technology, it maintains precision between jobs seamlessly. This mower effortlessly adapts to various landscapes and transitions between tasks with ease. Moreover, its motor minimizes vibration and noise. Say goodbye to the hassle and noise of traditional mowers. Upgrade to the Dewalt Zero-Turn Mower for a superior mowing experience. This is the Dewalt DHS780 Mitre Saw, a revolution for serious DIYers and professional tradespeople alike. This 350mm cordless miter saw defies expectations by effortlessly handling heavy-duty cutting jobs on battery power. Need to switch to AC power? No problem. With impressive cutting depth and height, it simplifies professional cutting tasks on demanding job sites. But it's not just about the size, it's also great for precise cross-cutting. The DHS780 features a slide lock latch that securely holds your materials, ensuring the most accurate results. And with a stainless steel detent plate, it guarantees optimal performance and durability for years to come. Say goodbye to the hassle and cut with confidence with the Dewalt DHS780. Are you tired of manual tasks slowing you down on the job site? Get yourself the Dewalt Impact Connect attachment, an innovative addition to your regular impact drivers that transforms traditionally manual tasks in seconds. This accessory kit streamlines your daily activities, minimizing cutting effort and maximizing job site productivity. Say goodbye to hand tools and fatigue issues. The Impact Connect revolutionizes the way you operate your impact driver. Designed primarily for Dewalt drivers, it surprisingly offers multi-brand compatibility, allowing you to switch between applications confidently. Cut faster, save time, and enjoy enhanced efficiency with the Dewalt Impact Connect. The Dewalt TSTAK Connect Radio is the ultimate job site companion that combines powerful features with rugged durability. With its premium sound and bass resonator, you'll experience immersive audio that brings your work environment to life. Its IP54 rating ensures protection against water and dust, making it ready for any conditions. The radio also includes a convenient phone storage compartment, fast USB charger, charging outlet, and AUX port for added convenience. Compatible with Dewalt lithium-ion batteries, it provides cordless operation and charging functionality. Plus, its stackable design allows seamless integration with other TSTAK modules. Take control with the TSTAK Radio mobile app, unlocking remote control capabilities. Designed to be your ultimate companion on the job, this rugged tool rig from Dewalt offers quick access to all your essentials with its 26 spacious pockets. Constructed to withstand even the harshest conditions, it combines 680D ballistic fabric, dirt repellent, tarpaulin-reinforced rivets, and double stitching for unmatched strength and longevity. Its high-visibility design ensures you're always seen, while the 5.5 inches wide padded belt and double tongue roller buckle provide day-long comfort. With two sturdy handles for effortless transport, this tool rig is your go-to solution. Stay organized, stay prepared, and take your productivity to new heights with the Dewalt Soft Storage Tool Rig, your trusted companion for every job, every day. Dewalt consistently delivers heavy-duty tools and is dedicated to serving woodworkers. The DW734 thickness planer is no exception. Crafted specifically for tackling large, deep cuts in hardwood, this powerful tool has a robust 15-amp motor that easily handles demanding tasks. The planer boasts a 3-knife cutter head operating at 10,000 RPM, enabling an impressive 96 cuts per inch and delivering a superb finish that rivals stationary planers. With disposable and reversible knives, changing blades is quick and effortless, while offering a remarkable 30% increase in knife life, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're working with hardwoods or requiring precise cuts, the DW734 is a dependable choice for professional-grade results. Level up your concrete and steel applications with the Dewalt DCN890 Concrete Nailer. This heavy-duty tool delivers exceptional performance without the need for fuel cells. Powered by the same battery, it ensures compatibility and convenience with variable power settings, tool-free jam clearing, and a high-capacity magazine. This nailer offers maximum versatility and user-friendly operation. It also illuminates your work surface with the dual LED work lights and enhances visibility and stability even in low-light conditions. With its brushless motor providing extended runtime and an impressive 600 shots per charge, the DCN890 Concrete Nailer is a game-changer in speed and efficiency. So upgrade your workflow and achieve outstanding results with this powerful, innovative nailer. Brighten up your workspaces with the Dewalt DCL182 Rechargeable LED Task Light. This versatile companion offers exceptional illumination with its pivoting Lee head and strong magnets for easy mounting on metal surfaces. It's designed for convenience and has a carabiner for effortless transport and storage. It also provides up to 12 hours of runtime, and with a quick charge time of as little as 85 minutes using a 5V DC3A power supply brick, you'll never be left in the dark for long. From illuminating work areas to adapting to various job site needs, this task light delivers on all fronts. Clip it to your tool belt or bag using the carabiner for easy accessibility, and let it be your guiding light in any situation. Gear up for the harshest weather conditions on the job site with the Dewalt DCJ069 XR Heated Jacket. Powered by Dewalt's lithium-ion batteries, this jacket takes warmth to a whole new level. Equipped with 3 heating zones and 3 heat settings, it lets you control your comfort with easily accessible controls. With extensive runtime, it keeps your core body warm throughout the entire day. Stay protected against the elements with its water and wind-resistant cotton twill outer shell. Available in a range of sizes from medium to XXL, this jacket ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Don't let the weather hinder your productivity. Embrace the ultimate in warmth and functionality with the DCJ069 Heated Jacket. Dewalt DCS365 Mitre Saw. This powerhouse is packed with features that will revolutionize your cutting experience. The XPS cut line system casts a perfect shadow on your cut line, ensuring precision and accuracy with every cut. Operating at an impressive 3,750 RPM, This miter saw gives you the freedom and flexibility of a cordless tool without compromising on performance. With an astonishing 250 cuts per charge, the runtime is exceptional, and the XPS light conveniently flashes when the battery charge is low. The miter angle adjustment system provides a precise and consistent setting of miter angles from 0 to 60 degrees right and 0 to 50 degrees left, while the miter and bevel detents allow for quick and easy setup of the saw. You'll be amazed by the power and freedom of this Dewalt miter saw. This Dewalt DCC 1054 FLEXVOLT compressor brings convenience to a whole new level while allowing you to keep using your existing pneumatic tools. You can tackle a full day of fastening work with just one battery, allowing you to drive up to 1,220 nails on a single charge. Compatible with all pneumatic nailers and suitable for light framing and second fix tasks, it offers versatility on the job. Its heavy-duty roll cage ensures durability and stability, safeguarding it from accidental damage, while its compact and lightweight design maximizes portability. Equipped with an efficient and reliable oil-free brushless motor, this compressor delivers high performance, reduces maintenance needs, and extends tool life. Let's conclude today's list with the Dewalt DCS 577 circular saw. With its cordless design and a 9.0 amp-hour battery, this saw delivers impressive runtime. Featuring a left-oriented blade, a rear handle for the optimal line of sight, and a durable magnesium shoe, it ensures smooth, accurate cuts. The brushless motor enhances performance and longevity. With a bevel capacity of 53 degrees and a substantial depth cut at 90 degrees, it offers versatility for various applications. Experience convenience with electronic brakes, onboard blade wrench storage, and compatibility with Tool Connect TAK. It's time to boost your productivity and trust in Dewalt's renowned quality gear. This was our list of the Dewalt tools you have probably never seen before.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.